Hello everyone, welcome to C Sharp tutorial. I am Parikshit. In this session of video, we are going to discuss about typecasting in C Sharp. Typecasting in C Sharp refers to converting one data type to another data type. It's a fundamental in programming, especially when we are working with different data type. Basically, C Sharp support two types of typecasting. One is implicit casting or implicit conversion. Another one is explicit conversion or explicit casting. Here the name casting refers to conversion. Let's understand the implicit conversion. It's a very type safe conversion. There is no data loss. Means implicit conversion happens automatically when the conversion does not require any extra code. Implicit conversion works with a target type is larger than the source type. Here, long is considered as a target type, whether the integer is considered as a source type. Let's flip to Visual Studio for more understanding. See, I have taken a two variables integer a along with the value and integer b along with the value. The both values I am summing up. Instead of putting into integer, I am taking the long variable which can hold a two integer value space. Let's execute this. We can have a check. Yes, we got the result of two integer. Means it can hold, your long can hold the summation of two integer value. Means basically your integer are converted to long data type. Let's understand a explicit conversion. Explicit conversion or explicit casting works when target type is smaller than the source type or when converting between two incompatible types. Here in this example, a double cannot be compatible with integer. In this case, we can do the explicit conversion. Means we are defining explicitly type of the variable. We are defining explicitly a target type to the source type. Let's look at the example. I have a double d equals to 10.5 and I want to convert this double to integer num, but our compiler will throw the error. What can I do? I can mention explicitly, hey, this is a double variable. I need to this double in the form of integer. So what it can do? It can convert your double to integer. So when we put the result over here, let's execute this code. Perfect. I got the a result of integer as a 10. Here one thing we need to observe is the double has a 10.5 value. Whenever we convert to integer, the decimal of the double will be chopped off, means it's removed. Means your explicit conversion takes the data loss risk. This is what the differences between explicit conversion and implicit conversion. The final conclusion is what the typecasting in C Sharp is an essential programming concept allows to convert one data type to another data type. It can be either explicit or implicit based on the circumstances. And along with this conversion, we have a one operator called as a conversion operator. We will use conversion operator to convert any data type to its relevant data types. We can have a look at a same example over here. In this section, I am converting your double to integer by explicitly mentioning its data type. What can I do? I can convert. Instead of that, I can use the convert class. Convert is a class in your system namespace. Convert dot a method called as a, we have a multiple methods here. So 2 int 16, 2 int 32. 2 int 16 will convert your specified value to the 16-bit signed integer. Well, so the same way 2 int 32 will convert your value to 32-bit signed integer. I am going to do here converting your decimal to 32. When I do this conversion, let's take an example. Here it is. I can have a result of two integers at 10. Let me take another example over here. When I do this, see the result of two integer when I use the convert operator, the result of two integer will be 11. Means it took the rounding of the next decimal to while converting to its integer value. In the same way, I will try with the explicit casting. Perfect. It didn't change, it didn't rounding off. So the differences between explicit casting and convert operator is explicit casting will do the data loss of next digital number, next decimal number. Whether the convert operator will performs, it converts to next rounding off number. This is all about implicit conversion and explicit conversion. We will meet up with the next video session of strings. By that time, thank you very much for all your valuable time.